Chris, Saturday night, big night.
Yes, Saturday night's the night.
Big night tonight?
Yeah, we're good. Guess where we're going?
Shopping centre.
Yeah, come on.
Are you playing it safe tonight?
Well, we'll start safe and we'll see how dodgy it gets later.
We're at a place called Centre Point, which is brand new. A bit of it was in the video yesterday, what we made when we first got here. But we're going to get some food in here somewhere, yeah?
Yeah.
It looks quite busy in here as well, actually. Must be where they all come on a Saturday night. I'll tell you what, Chris, you could be anywhere in Asia here.
Could be anywhere in England, really.
Oh yeah, in fact, no, it's even nicer.
Look at all the cars.
Yeah,
Unbelievable.
I know, yeah, there's some money around here.
They ain't driving one of these things, in it? Shall we put a smoky?
I don't know. Smoky ribs. Or, right behind us here, it's an Irish bar. It's always an Irish bar, isn't it? Everywhere. Coming to a place called Smoky Joe's, and I'm having a steak because I haven't had a steak for a long time. I've ordered the tenderloin, yes,
Black Angus.
Tenderloin Black Angus, and it looks good, and it smells good in here. The decor is good.
It's very good decor.
This is very high end. This isn't it for the American?
Yeah.
I mean, what's the price? I don't know. It says 349. Is that 349,000?
That's 340,000.
What's that in English?
So it's times 5, 15 quid.
It's not bad, is it?
For a steak meal.
Yeah. And what have you had?
I've gone for a pulled pork burger and cheese and fries and mashed potato.
And how much is that?
I never looked, just ordered.
Mine was very good actually. My steak, I thought it was excellent.
Excellent or good?
I'd say good. Okay. Better, not as good as, because I judge it on Beef Eater and Patrick's. Not as good as that, but good. The steak was good. The steak was pretty bordering on excellent actually. But then the mash and the vegetable bits, the trimmings with that's what let it down. But yeah, it was good.
We should have gone to Burger King. That's what
That's his verdict.
Now then,
This is Bricktop's favourite here.
it's in my favourite. I'm just saying that burger thing would have been better than that. I don't know what I've just said. I'll find out in the morning.
Here to do a live, but I'm not sure we're going to be able to because it's packed. I've just done a speed test and it's not very good. Indonesia is now coming to an end.
Yeah.
We leave the hotel at 7.
We got me downstairs for 7:20.
Yeah, we got a train. Luckily, the train station is in the hotel,
and we believe the trains here run punctual because the lady, she even told us that the train would arrive at 10:57 the morning we got the train here, and it did. It arrived at 10.
Very punctual. So, because then we're flying back to Penang. Opinion on Medan? Indonesia?
I think it's it's a great place. I think it's it's a place you could just come and take a weekend escape. Really, it's not a place you'd want to come and spend 2 weeks on holiday. I don't think it's that kind of place.
Perhaps if you went down to the South Islands.
Oh well, it's a different thing.
You know, that would be a beach thing then. I mean, this is a big city, but big-ish, yeah. It's very clean.
Infrastructure is very good.
Yeah. I was surprised there's quite a few beggars about, isn't there?
Yeah, but I think it's just, you know, it's like Bangkok, you get them around Bangkok.
I mean, we've just seen a lad over there. He's not even begging, he was that gone, like. Yeah. So we just gave him some money. Topped him up with this loose change we've got.
There's another thing I've noticed here, Nick, that we don't seem to have found any 7-Elevens. That's
another thing, yes.
Yeah.
And we've just gone in one shop. I thought I'd get a couple of beers, take back my room.
Damn.
Got none. So.
And I've not bothered with the beer this evening.
No, he hasn't. No.
Flight rules. If I'm flying next day, I never have a drink.
We went to a bar and first we couldn't get in. It was that packed.
And the guy come running to find us.
But it's packed with people not drinking.
Just sat there because
sat hogging the internet.
And the Liverpool game.
Yes, yeah, because it's football. Obviously, this side of the world, Premier League's massive out here.
It's not Premier League, it's a friendly match. Liverpool v something.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Liverpool. I don't know who it was.
It's internationals, isn't it? This? So.
Yeah, so it's some kind of friendly.
So anyway, would you come back?
Yeah, I sure would come back, but I wouldn't. I'd plan it a lot better, and I'd probably rent a car out as well.
Yeah. Right, okay guys, that's it for Indonesia. We're now going to go back to Penang in the morning. And I might possibly go to Kuala Lumpur next week.
I might come with you.
Chris just brought us to an hotel.
Well, it's a car park. We're going to walk through here. We're at Batu Ferungay, and what Batu Ferungay is, it's where we've got the white sands and the cordon off for swimming, and there's jet boats and paragliding.
Is this basically like the only decent beach in Penang?
Yeah, it's the decent beach in Penang, and there's a bit of a garden here, and you know, but still be careful with the jet skis.
Chris, that was very, very heroic the other day. I thought it was, it was commendable because you pulled straight in. We were a bit behind you. We saw you pull it. By the time we got there, you'd kind of almost, well, you had completely managed the scene because there were several people there, but they were standing and they were doing nothing. But you completely took over the scene. You took control, and gained everybody's kind of respect in that accident environment. And the guy, you don't see it on the video, but he was laying face down, wasn't he? He was gurgling on his blood. Explain it then. Mr.
First in, first out with wallet. That's what I say.
Is that what you're after?
But
be serious then.
I mean, it's just first aid, isn't it?
It's basic first aid, yeah.
We learn it in school, and we through various jobs, they teach you know, vital signs, make sure they haven't swallowed the tongue, and then
yes,
if it's safe, best you can is so they don't asphyxiate, get them on the side.
To the recovery position.
And keep shouting at them.
Yeah.
Where's the wallet?
Anyway, this has come to the end of my trip in Malaysia and Indonesia. It's been a ball, Chris.
Can't wait for you to settle up.
I'm going to be back in Pattaya at the weekend. It's Thursday today. I'm going back tomorrow, so I'll probably be out Saturday night if anybody's around. Next Friday, myself, Bricktop, and little Nick Noy will be at
a birthday party
on New Plaza, Pussy Bar from 8 PM, and then we're going to go on to the Thai nightclub. Thanks for watching these trips in Malaysia and Indonesia, and I'll see you back in Pattaya.
Ta-da.